My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video I have some ultimate cleaning motivation for you. My plan for today is I want to do the bedrooms, the kitchen, and the dining room. So I hope this video motivates you and inspires you to tackle your to-do list today. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it so I know that you like it. I'm going to start in the bedrooms and let's get cleaning. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, no, Hey guys, so Editing Jessica is here, and I just wanted to pop on and say hello. I hope everybody is doing well. After I finish up in the bedrooms, I am going to start in my kitchen. I'm going to be flying through my kitchen and doing the dining room as well. I also wanted to let you guys know that I am uploading 3 times this week. It feels like such a special occasion because most of the time I barely can get 2 videos up a week. But this week I am doing 3 videos. Today is obviously like this video. Wednesday and Friday are going to be my laundry room. I have been working really, really hard over the past couple days to finish my laundry room. If you're brand new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jessa, and in the year 2020, we essentially decided to repaint our entire house. So I am actually wrapping that up. I always have a playlist linked down in my description box called my Home Refresh playlist. Definitely check it out if you want to get caught up. But essentially, we've repainted the entire house, almost the entire house, and I am wrapping up my laundry room, and I can't wait to share the transformation for you or with you. I've been calling it the laundry dungeon because that's really what it feels like. But no longer. It is so bright and so nice. I actually can't wait to do laundry. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know that today is Monday, and I hope you guys are having an awesome Monday. But definitely subscribe and come back on Wednesday and Friday. There is going to be more videos all about my laundry room transformation.
What am I supposed to be doing here? I thought that we were finished, baby. We don't have to talk, I guess I just know. Cause you are not that honest with me. You don't have to explain me, yeah. Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. It's not for me, I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire. Tell me how can I forget that? It's not for me. Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. We don't have to talk, I guess I just know. Cause you are not that honest with me. You don't have to explain me, yeah. Are you really sorry? Yeah. Are you already over it? Yeah. It's not for me, I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire. Tell me how can I forget that? It's not for me, I think it's for you that you bring me gift. Doesn't mean I love you. You put a love on the highest and you put in the fire. Tell me how can I forget that?
Baby, take my hand, follow me. Let's leave this world behind, set us free. And I will give you everything that you need. So take a chance, let your heart chase that beat. And baby, you're all that I want. I need you like a voice needs a song. So let your eyes take you where you belong. Just say the word and we can be gone. So take my the moonlight, we'll dance, and we'll dance. We can be anyone that we wanna be. A place where the sky meets the sea. When no one else is around here to watch. So take a chance, give your heart what it needs. Baby, I can see it in your heart. I know that you can feel it in the dark. It's what you see when you close your eyes. So baby, let me take you to the stars. Take my hand, I'll guide you to a land where the stars will shine. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance.
Tell me who broke your heart, 'cause I could tell you who demolished mine. Tell me how you got those scars. I'll find the beauty in every line across your skin. It's like you're convinced that you're stuck the way you are, driving in your car to reach a dead end. Is that all this is? It's cool if you think that I'm wasting my time, but you've gotta stop holding me back. What's up with that? I don't wanna love you. Try to convince, use every trick that's up my sleeve. I don't wanna beg you. Show you my soul, if you're gonna hold it all against me. When you push me enough to pay. You're pushing me away. It's like you're convinced that you're stuck the way you are, driving in your car to reach a dead end. Is that all this is? It's cool if you think that I'm wasting my time, but you've gotta stop holding me back. What's up with that? I don't wanna love you. Try to convince, use every trick that's up my sleeve.
So we are wrapping up this cleaning video. I just wanted to pop on and give a little outro. I'm going to be wrapping up in my dining room, and then I will be finishing this video by folding some laundry. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for clicking on it and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you. I hope it motivated you and inspired you to tackle your to-do list. I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Looking for a place to stay for this night, even though my room is empty. My baby got me out the door tonight, our story never ending. He says that I'm the worst and it's better off alone, still in front of me is standing, but turning